we'll be installing IIS server. What are the steps, how to install it, I'll be showing step by step. Now first you have to go to control panel. Now after opening control panel, click on programs, right? Then go to turn Windows features on or off. So there will be information, internet information service. We need this one, right? So you have to click on that, and World Wide Web Services. Under that you have to click application development features. Within that you have to select ASP, or if you will be running your program on ASP.NET, then you can tick here also. Now click on OK, right? I have already installed, that's why the no installing message is showing. Already I have installed when I have before preparing this demonstration, right? Now come to this one again. Here you have to go to administrative tools. Administrative tools, when you will be going there, you can see that Internet Information Services Manager will be there, right? This IIS Manager will be very much helpful server for running ASP programs. Now double click this one. IIS Manager window will be open. See that when you will be installing that www option, and under that you will be click in ASP, that ASP information will be coming here. Until unless it will not be coming here, right? You have to select that ASP option that I have shown previously. Now you have to develop your open default website is there, and test, you can see that I have created this one for testing purpose. Now I have already created. Now I will be creating another one. Where I have to go? First you click here, you can see here under application pools there will be sites. You click sites, then you can create here add website, right? Now I have created already test, then I will be creating test 1, right? Physical path, just show, or the physical path you have to give to that website, that is inetpub, right? Inetpub, within inetpub you have to select www root, create one folder, that is, let's say test 1 folder, create, okay, select test 1, right? Now you have to check that test settings. You see that authorization is not there. You have to authorize by some putting some ID password. How to authorize it? Now come back to this here, connect as path credential, specific user, set, click on set, username, whatever you have your system name. Let's say my system name is you can see, sorry, I can see here my system name, that is user, right? you have to keep your whatever your operating system you are using, Windows 10, Windows 7, whatever the username you have to put here. My username is user. Now password, you have to put your own password. I am giving my password. Okay, now now check that test settings. It's okay now, right? Username authentication and path is accessible. Okay, now you put some host name, let's say www.test1.com. It's an example and nothing else, for just only for the testing, right? Now test1 is created, right? Now see that it's running already. Now again we have to go to add application. You have to alias test1, right? Again you have to go to physical path where we will be going, that inet pub, right? Inet pub, then www.root, select test1. Okay, again that test setting, check this, it is not okay. Now you have to go to here again, connect as specific user, set username. I have user, I am giving my password, and okay. Okay, now check test settings, it's valid. Close. Okay, now test1 application we are creating here. Refresh it. Now you have to configure for ASP, that is open feature, that configuration. You must check that this enable parent path, that should be false, right? That should be false. Check this one. If your system having true this one, you have to select this as false, right? Now for this compilation, under compilation debugging properties, if this send errors to the browser false, that you have to select this one is true, right? Send errors to the browser, that should be true. These two options you have to select this. Enable parent path, that is false, and send errors to browser, that should be true, right? Then apply. Changes have been successfully. Now we have configured our ASP server, right? Now we will be writing our ASP program, right? Let's say one sample program we will be writing on our notepad. I have written one ASP program that I will be copying from here. That okay, Control A, Control C, Control P. See that? You can see that document type HTML body. Within that body I have just written VBScript function, weekday name is to weekday, and now it's come to within that delimiter, that is ASP content is coming, that response dot write weekday name within bracket 1, response dot write break response dot write weekday name 2, right? Now this ASP option is closed. Now second one, abbreviated name of weekday. Response dot write weekday name 1 comma true, and this one beer, and then 2 comma true. That means it's a Sunday, Monday, then their abbreviation will be sun, month. Now current weekday, if we say response dot write weekday name weekday within date and current day, today is Saturday, that will be displayed, right? This is actually function, right? Weekday name weekday, and these are inbuilt function. If we select this one, then already weekday will be detected from the server, right? Now I have to save this one, save as. I am saving here test1 dot ASP. Save. Now test1 dot ASP, I have told that extension will be ASP, right? Why I have saved this one here desktop? Because it cannot directly to be saved in within that test1 folder, right? There will not be there will be some permission issues. That's why I have to create first ASP page on desktop. Now I will copy it to that folder, where local disk PC C drive. There will be, after configuration, IIS configuration, inet pub will be there. Within inet pub, www root, within www root, whatever you have created folder from your application pool, that test1. Now paste here, continue, right? Now open your web browser. We have already just check it, you refresh it once, this one, refresh it, okay. Let's start already. Open browser. Now you open here localhost. If you write localhost slash, then internet information service, that means our server is running. Now I have our folder test, where we have created our program, test1 folder. Now we have to give the path test1 slash, what is our program, test1 dot ASP, test1 dot ASP, enter. Now see that output, VB scripts function weekday name is used to get a weekday Sunday, Monday. You can see I have told here that function weekday name 1 2 1 2, that means first day is a Sunday, second day is a Monday, right? And abbreviated name, that abbreviated name, you can see that weekday name 1 Sunday, weekday name 2 Monday. If you say abbreviated name, weekday name 1 comma true, abbreviated name, that is sun and month, current weekday, that is Saturday, and abbreviated is Sat, right? So this is your sample ASP program. Now once your server is configured, now what you will do, you just do your programs on desktop or whatever your other drive, D drive, E drive, whatever. You write your program here and save your .asp, 1.asp, 2.asp, everything is over. Now you go to copy all that programs, go to inet pub and then www root test1, then paste, or I have created previously test folder, or you can create your own. You just paste here, then paste. When you will be running your server, test1 slash whatever your program will be 1.2.asp, that will be running here, and it will show the output. Okay.